So, good day everyone. My name is Joshua Puti Pouch from BCPE, and I'm here for our subject Engineering Mathematics or Advanced Math from our instructor, Mr. Bujokan. So, I'm here to discuss Module 4 Differential Equations. So, let's go. So, uh, today we're going to talk about first order differential equations applications. This is on Module 4. This is on our Module 4 Differential Equations. Mr. Bujokan assigned us to derive a problem solution set that stimulates the concepts, theory, and or application of differential equations. Example given are first order differential equations, second order differential equations and their solutions, and applications of different equations in engineering such as mechanical vibration circuits, etc. All right. So for today, I'm gonna be tackling about my example of my first order differential equations applications. Okay, so we have a problem here. This is already solved. I just this is already solved. So we have a problem here. We have a thermometer reading 10 degrees Celsius is brought in a room where it's brought in a room whose temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. 1 minute later, the thermometer reading is 14 degrees Celsius. How long does it take until the reading becomes 16 degrees Celsius? So this is the solution. We have dt over dt is equals to uh, k of t minus tm. Then integrate this, we will have dt over t minus tm equals to the k over k of dt. All right. From here, we got we're gonna will be ln. All right, and t minus tm equals to kt plus c, and then all right plus some arbitrary constant c. Right. Now I'm going to exponentialize both sides of the equation. All right, such as we're going to do this. Okay, so this would be cancel. We will be having t minus tm is equals to e to the power of kt times e to the power of c. But e to the power of c is equals to c. So I can simply replace this term into t minus tm to e to the power of kt times c. And then t minus tm is equals to ce to the power of kt, and we'll be arriving to a t equals to tm plus cekt. All right, so if you're asking guys, what is the t small letter t and the t big letter t and the tm? So t is the time, t big letter t is the temperature, and we have the tm, uh, which will be our general temperature. Okay. There are a lot of conditions, so we'll put here the given, uh, 10 degrees Celsius, tm, no, temperature is brought to tm is 18 degrees Celsius. All right. Now we will solve. Okay, at t is equals to 0, so wala pa siyang time. Okay, and then T, big letter T, is equals to 10 degrees Celsius, and Tm is equals to 18. It's not 180. This is 18 degrees Celsius. Alright, so we'll plug in our formula, which is T is equals to Tm plus CEKT. So just put all the given. So T will be 10, Tm 18, CEKT KT 0. So that will be a uh, there will be one here, imaginary one. All right, so 10 equals to 18 plus c, 18 plus c. All right, so okay, and by algebra is equal to c is equal to negative 8. So right, so we just use algebra here, so we have arrived to our answer. All right, so we have another solution. So we have here at t is undefined and t is equals to 16 degrees Celsius. All right, we will solve this. How long does it take until the reading becomes 16 degrees Celsius? So we will solve for the time. All right, time is unknown. So 14 degrees Celsius. No. We'll solve here first. Wala. Okay, I'm sorry. We'll solve here first pala. Okay, sorry. So, we will solve at t is equals to 1 minute and t is equals to 14 degrees Celsius. Mas nauna pala yung 14 degrees Celsius. So, Tm is equals to 18 degrees Celsius. So, 14 is equals to 18 minus 8 EK 1. Alright, 1 minute. Yan ang ating formula, di ba? So, we have derived here 14 is equals to 18 minus 8 EK. Yan, 14 minus 18 is equals to 8, negative 8 EK. Solving for K, so this would be, let's say, negative 4 over negative 8 is equal to EK. So erase, okay, this is 1 half over equal to EK, and then ln 1 half equals to ln ek. So this will be erased, the e will be erased, so ln e will be erased, so ln 1 half equals to k. So this will be our second answer. Ln 1 half is equals to k. So we have another one. So okay, we don't know the time, so we have temperature though 16 degrees Celsius. So how long does it take until the reading becomes 16 degrees Celsius? So we have our formula. So according to our condition, we have now 16 is equals to uh, 18 minus 8 e ln 1 half t. All right, ln 1 half t. So we just put here our second solution. So ln 1 half t, we will give us the temperature of the thermometer at 16 degrees Celsius. Alright. So by algebra again, 16 minus 8 is equals to negative 8 E. Oh, I made a mistake here. No plus here. ELN. Ah, this is T. This is T. ELN 1 half. So is that 16 minus 18? So negative 2 over 8 is equals to ETLN 1 half. So still the same. I'm gonna put this is multiplication. 1/4 is equals to ET plus LN 1 half. So this will be cancelled. ELN, eliminate, erase here. So we are left now with our patient 1/4 is equals to 1 half T. Alright, so we just cancelled ELN. And we're gonna put ELN back. ELN 1/4 is equals to ELN 1 half T. So take the n of both sides by the equation of properties is f of n of ln. Yeah, T. Have the exponent ln 1/4 is equals to T ln 1 half. So we will can derive the exponent. So by purely solving for T, we have T is equal now to ln 1/4 over ln 1 half. So we just solve this, we will get an answer of 2, and that will arrive to our T that we were looking for. So 2 minutes. So how long does it take until the reading becomes 16 degrees Celsius? So it will take 2 minutes. So what we did, we need to determine the value of C. Here we need to determine the value of C. We need to determine the value of C, and then we need to determine the value of C, and then proportionality constant of A, and then solve for the temperature. Okay, so the problem is building Newton's law of cooling involves a situation like this, wherein we are going to find first the C and the solution, and when we're going to plug in into the formula the given, and then use basic algebra, and then we will arrive for our answer. So 2 minutes is our answer. So thank you so much.